Welcome to Global Diaries. Dive into the rich tapestry of global traditions as we explore vibrant cultures, exotic cuisines, and thrilling adventures across continents. Please subscribe, like, and share.
Ever wondered how Britain's rich heritage has shaped its present and future? Let's delve into the fascinating tapestry of British culture, an amalgamation of history, traditions, and values that are deeply ingrained in every aspect of life in Britain. Our aim is to unravel the intriguing stories and influences that have molded Britain into the vibrant and diverse nation it is today. From ancient castles to modern art, from quaint villages to bustling cities. Well, buckle up as we journey through time to explore the wonders of British heritage. So, where does this intriguing tale of British heritage begin? Our story starts in the misty depths of time with the Celts. These ancient peoples, known for their intricate art and fierce independence, were the original inhabitants of the British Isles. They left a profound imprint on the culture, with their language still echoing in many place names, and their spiritual traditions influencing many local customs and folklore. Then arrived the Romans in the 1st century AD, bringing with them a wave of advancements. They constructed roads, walls, and cities that stand to this day, but their influence went beyond mere physical structures. The Romans introduced administrative systems, laws, and even certain aspects of lifestyle, like bathing and winemaking. But the story doesn't end there. The fall of Rome left a power vacuum that attracted various invaders. The Anglo-Saxons arrived from what is now Germany, Denmark, and the Netherlands. Their influence on the English language is profound, with many common words and even the grammar bearing their stamp. The Viking incursions, originating from Scandinavia, brought not only fearsome warriors, but also traders and settlers. The Viking impact is evident in many northern place names and even in the English language, with words like sky, egg, and window being of Norse origin. The final act of this early period of British heritage is the Norman invasion in the 11th century. The Normans, from northern France, brought significant changes to the English language and culture. They introduced Norman French, which mingled with Old English to form Middle English, the language of Chaucer. They also reshaped the political and social structure of the country, laying the groundwork for the feudal system. And so, the foundations of British heritage were set, paving the way for the Britain we know today. This rich tapestry of influences from the Celts, Romans, Anglo-Saxons, Vikings, and Normans, each left an indelible mark on the language, culture, and societal structure of Britain, making it the fascinating and diverse country that continues to captivate us all. But how has this rich heritage morphed into the unique British culture we see today? Let's delve into that, shall we? British culture has been shaped by a multitude of factors. Among these, the monarchy has played a significant role. The kings and queens of Britain, from the earliest Anglo-Saxon rulers to the current House of Windsor, have helped to define British identity. Their influence permeates everything from the architecture of grand palaces to the traditions and ceremonies that are celebrated today. Next, we cannot overlook the impact of the British Empire. Once upon a time, the sun never set on the British Empire, and this global reach had a profound influence on British culture. It brought new foods, ideas, and influences from far-flung lands back to the British Isles. These global influences have been absorbed and adapted, creating a culture that is both uniquely British yet globally aware. Moving on, the Industrial Revolution was another pivotal moment in the evolution of British culture. It not only transformed the economic landscape, but also sparked significant social and cultural changes. The rise of a middle class, the shift from rural to urban living, and the advent of new technologies all left their mark on British society. Of course, we can't forget the remarkable contributions to literature, music, and art. From the plays of Shakespeare to the novels of Jane Austen and Charles Dickens, British literature has shaped the English language and touched the hearts of readers around the world. In music, the Beatles revolutionized pop culture, while artists like J.M.W. Turner and Sir Joshua Reynolds left indelible marks on the art world. So, you see, the evolution of British culture is a complex and fascinating journey. It's a mix of tradition and innovation, shaped by history and constantly evolving. Every aspect, from the monarchy to the arts, contributes to the vibrant tapestry that is British culture. Indeed, British culture is a vibrant tapestry woven from centuries of history. But what about Britain's natural heritage? What role does it play in shaping its identity? Well, it's undeniable that the diversity of British nature is a cornerstone of its national character. From the rugged beauty of the Scottish Highlands, with its towering peaks and deep lochs, to the idyllic charm of the English countryside, adorned with quaint villages and babbling brooks, the British Isles are a tapestry of natural wonders. And this isn't just a backdrop for life, it's a wellspring of inspiration. British nature has etched its mark on the nation's culture, breathing life into literature and art. It's the windswept moors of Wuthering Heights, the dappled woodland of The Wind in the Willows, and the picturesque landscapes that grace the canvases of Turner and Constable. In every rustling leaf and rolling hill, there's a story waiting to be told, a masterpiece waiting to be created. Britain's natural heritage is indeed a treasure trove of beauty and inspiration. And finally, what about the infamous British weather? How has it influenced British culture and identity? A quintessential part of the British experience, the weather, with its propensity for unpredictability, has left an indelible mark on British culture. It's not just about carrying an umbrella at all times, it's much more than that. Take, for instance, the British love for tea. This warm, comforting beverage is an emblem of British resilience, a testament to the nation's ability to find comfort and warmth in the face of the often grey and overcast weather. Outdoor activities, too, owe their popularity to the weather. A sunny day is a cherished rarity, leading to a spontaneous celebration of life outdoors, be it a walk in the park, a picnic by the river, or a game of cricket. And then there's the British sense of humour, a wry, self-deprecating take on life that's often weather-inspired. Nothing quite encapsulates the British spirit like a joke about the rain. Love it or hate it, British weather is an integral part of British culture and heritage. So, what can we take away from our exploration of British heritage? From the roots of its deep-seated traditions, to the ever-evolving culture that embraces change yet retains its essence, Britain is undeniably rich and diverse. The natural beauty, often painted with the charm of unpredictable weather, makes it even more unique. As we've seen, British heritage is a fascinating journey through time, a rich tapestry of history, culture, nature, and even weather. A journey that continues to shape Britain today and will continue to do so in the future.